coming back to during Shaoyang pattern, people become much softer. People sleep better. Those who are tense, they become more relaxed. But don't forget that during Shaoyang is more for excess, and during Yangming is more deficiency. Some points for hemorrhoid. Bladder 40, lung 5, lingu. Also you can do the dragon eye, needling around the umbilicus, about 8 needles around, and this is it seems to be effective, but sometimes it's effective, sometimes it doesn't. So this is the dragon eye, but this is the umbilicus, this is the waist. The best thing for hemorrhoid is herbs, but with needles you can treat it as well. So we finished our digestive business here. To remind, this 4 and 1 is for digestion. If you merge these two, we'll have 8 plus 1 treatment. Why plus 1? We add heart meridian on the yin corner. So merging these two, 8 plus 1. Briefly speaking, the general pattern: those who are fearful, those who are tired, those with edema, water retention, ego, anger people. And when someone comes and says, I have a digestive problems, you consider mainly these 5 patterns. I try to make things easy for you because it took me a lot of time to figure out and remember the patterns and put them into the right system. So this way of remembering is very good, and this way of recognizing is very good. And now I will ask you some questions. If you have a patient who came to see you because he has a sleeping problem, he wakes up very often, you've taken his pulses and the pulses are not strong, they're kind of weak, they are right and left. The Sun is okay, stomach is a bit wiry, Sun is okay, liver is a bit wiry, but it's okay to be wiry, and the kidney is fine. And you can this is 35 years old lady, she is a warrior, she may have some digestive system, some pains that come and go. Remember, pains and come and go is a liver problem. So which pattern do you choose? Of course, during Yangming. If someone came tired with digestive problems, these are 2 things to remember, and this pattern, which is pericardium, kidney, Yangming, or 4 magic meridians of Dr. Tan, must come up. Heart problems. Think about 4 magic meridians of Dr. Tan and choose the right points. If pure digestive weakness or all the pulses are scattered, Scattered, it means that you start feeling the pulses, or most of the pulses are deep, and you can't feel the borders of the pulses. They are deep. They are not here. It's a deep, 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 not very pronounced. Basically 8+1. What does it mean? There's so much dampness in the body and phlegm in the system. Stomach is not able to process the fluids. Stomach is weak usually, so you need to build up the stomach strength. To build up the stomach strength, actually all these treatments will work, but 8+1 is much better, is stronger. It's very strong. If someone comes with water retention, one of the choices is the pattern number 4. For headaches, these two patterns, Zhu Yin Yang Ming and Zhu Yin Xiao Yang, are both good because they take care of liver, which balances gallbladder. So it's pretty much easy. If you take the pulse, you take the pulse right and left, and you see that liver is strong. What does it mean, liver strong? Liver is up, and you feel that it's stronger than other pulses, or you press and it rebounds. It can be deep but still strong. These are people of Zhu Yin Xiao Yang. And don't forget Taiyang or 5 sleeping points, very good for them. They respond very well to sciatica pain. Not all of them, but some of them very well, because sciatica is on gallbladder. I mean sciatica on GB. So liver will balance gallbladder, Senjiao will balance gallbladder. I usually have very good results after applying this treatment. Recently the lady came with very acute sciatica, but interesting, she came with sciatica which accumulated like few inches around gallbladder 37, from 38 to 37, very short sciatica, 38 to 37 GB. And I did local treatments, and local treatments didn't bring much relief. They brought some relief during the treatment, but then it came back. So I applied the meridian conversion. It works so good.